Hi and welcome back to Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do some little accessories for mobile phones. So I'm going to show you how to do a little phone holder, some hooks for your wires for your mobile phone, and also a little decoration that can go on a pop socket. So without further ado, here we go.
You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too.
Thanks for watching the tutorials. I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So I'm going to show you in the order that I made them. So firstly, this is the phone holder. So it's quite simple in terms of the actual design of it. Nice and plain at the back there, but you have all the decoration at the front and where the phone will go. So when I was making this, I didn't really consider how fragile the little roses would be, but once they're baked, they're actually quite strong. So I stuck my phone on it and wiggled it about, and it actually stayed put. And I actually need one of these myself anyway, because I'm forever propping my phone up somewhere where it's bound to fall down anyway. So yeah, so I had fun with this. It's, as I said, it's a really simple design. Lots of green. I had this green left over, so this is another project that you can do with leftover clay that you're not sure what to do with. So that is the phone holder. So the next one is onto the little pop socket. Now I actually had a lot of fun with this. So the glitter that I put on there was called Bounce, and that is by Smiley's Glitter Store. Absolutely fabulous stuff. I wanted to use this one for a really long time, and I haven't had a chance until now. So and what I did, as you saw, is put the liquid clay in a little cookie cutter and then filled it with the glitter and baked it. Made the flower, put that on top, baked it again. Quite often a lot of these crafts do need a couple of times in the oven, but you can do that with polymer clay. It's absolutely brilliant like that. So this catches the light in absolutely every direction possible, and these are the type of flowers that I make. So these are what I would consider my type of flowers. So yeah, so that is the pop socket. And then finally, so the third one, this is the little hook that I made. Now I say little, it's not really, because it is quite big. So this is from the side and that's from the back. And the idea is that obviously you can get as many cables as you want all the way through it. So you can have a couple that comes through there, and it's a really simple way of making wires really tidy for mobile phones, anything else. You can hang all sorts of things through there. And then off camera I actually made another one, so I've got a different one here. This is a grey one, and it's surprising how just a piece of scrap clay with some mica powder and glitter, how different they actually look in terms of making them look like sort of metal. And with obviously this one, as you can see, it makes it look a bit more antique as well. So that's how you make mobile phone accessories from polymer clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Oh dear, what did I do that for? Who did I think I was just there? So I'm going to do these in 3 stages in the order that I filmed them in, and also how I made them now. So this is the little hook that I made. I made the actual part of it that was so here's the little hook that I've made. So I did, what did I do? I don't know. Where am I? Who am I? What is my name? Oh dear. Oh no.